The results from this new AI video generator is insane.
Also, this AI tool is very beginner-friendly.
And the most importantly, this AI tool is available on Android.
Hi, welcome back to my AI tutorial channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the new AI avatar technology from VGPT to easily create a YouTube news channel. This AI tool is new, but the quality and features are amazingly good and easy to use for anyone. So, let's get started.
Step 1. Download the VGPT app. To get started, head to your mobile's Play Store and search for VGPT. Once you find it, tap on Install to proceed with the setup. This app is commonly very useful in video production, social media marketing, education, training, and various other areas. Now installation is complete, so go ahead and click Open to launch the app. To initiate your VGPT experience, log in using one of the available methods, such as your Facebook or Google account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main page. Now, simply click the plus icon to initiate video generation. Step 2. Generating an avatar. To create your avatar, click on Avatar, located in the bottom left corner. Upon clicking, you'll have access to 3 distinct avatar options: digital humans, virtual humans, and AI face animator. You have the flexibility to use these avatars in accordance with your particular circumstances. And here's another remarkable feature: the ability to craft your unique AI avatar. To get started, just go to the virtual human option. After selecting the first avatar, you'll see an option to edit it. Clicking on it will unveil a range of choices for customizing your avatar. On the left-hand side, you'll find a key symbol that, when clicked, will swiftly alter your avatar's gender. In addition, you'll find a variety of editing options, such as clothing, footwear, sunglasses, hats, bags, hairstyle, and more. So, utilize these options to customize your avatar very effectively. If you navigate to the human icon at the top, you'll have the ability to modify features like eyebrows, face color, face shape, lipstick, hairstyle, eyelashes, eyeshadows, freckles, moles, and even add face stickers. Additionally, you have the option to edit and adjust various aspects like lip size, facial features, eyes, eyebrows, and more. Once you've completed your modifications, simply click the Save button to preserve the changes. However, I'm now going to revert all the alterations because I intend to utilize the AI face animator. Step 3. Configuring your background. Navigate to the background option located in the right-hand corner. After clicking on it, you'll find various default backgrounds provided by VGPT. You can either use these default backgrounds or import one from your local device by clicking on the plus icon. Once you've selected your background, you can further customize it by adjusting its position and size. When you're satisfied with your background settings, click the tick mark symbol to confirm. Step 3. Preparing your news script for the video. VGPT offers 3 options at the top: Smart Writing, Type Something, and Online Recording. Smart Writing utilizes OpenAI's ChatGPT technology to automatically generate video content when you provide a topic. By clicking Generate, it will create a script for your video. If you choose Type Something, you can manually input your script. Alternatively, with Online Recording, you can use voice recording instead of typing a script. Before submitting our work, we need to provide a voice to our avatar. To do this, navigate to the Sound Effects section, where you'll find a variety of voice options. Initially, VGPT offers voiceovers in English and Hindi, with plans to expand to more languages in the future. After you've completed this step, click Submit to receive your result. Typically, it takes a few minutes to generate the result. Once it's ready, click to open and view your video result.
Breaking news. AI-powered robot successfully performs surgery, a groundbreaking achievement in the field of healthcare. An AI-powered robot recently performed a complex surgery with precision and accuracy, showcasing the potential of AI in revolutionizing surgical procedures. The AI language model generates realistic news articles, OpenAI's GPT-4, an advanced language model, has gained attention for its ability to generate highly realistic news articles, raising concerns about the potential misuse of AI-generated content and the spread of misinformation.
That concludes today's tutorial. So, until we explore the next AI tool, take care and goodbye.